say "Hello, World." Program generally is a computer program that outputs or displays the message "Hello, World." Such a program is very simple in most programming languages, and is often used to illustrate the basic syntax of a programming language. It is often the first program written by people learning to code. It can also be used as a sanity test to make sure that computer software intended to compile or run source code is correctly installed, and that the operator understands how to use it.